haven't done a video in quite a while. It's been, I think, 3 weeks now. Not sure. I think it's been 3 weeks. But pretty much I fell. I hurt my wrist. I couldn't type for a while on my keyboard, and then just got back into it. But if you look, here's my GitHub contributions. So yeah, this was the time I had to take a break here. This is like the last day before, and then I had to take a break here, but as you can see, I'm getting back into it. So yeah, so basically I've been doing a couple things. Before I had to take a break, I was working on this. So I was making, if you haven't watched the live stream of the tank game, and I hopefully will finish that soon and do like an overview video of it. But pretty much I'm making this like tank game or something. Can't really decide what it's gonna be yet. But pretty much that plays music. Pretty much I thought it'd be useful to have line renderers because like if you shoot with this, maybe have a line renderer come over here and like hit the other tank. I don't know. I just thought it would look cool. So and this is not done yet. It doesn't serialize or anything like that, but this is like a proof of concept. And have this, and then it has two positions. So instead of having like rotations and stuff like that, just have like an origin position. Like it gets to 0, and then basically the way you use this, you have like a small projectile that you can't see, and then hit the other tank, and then the like on collision hit, or I don't remember what it's called, something like that. But when it collides, you can get the like hit info in the position, and then you just set the position to, I guess, or something like that, to wherever it hit. So like you could place it, you know, you can adjust these obviously, but you could have this here and then have the other one like somewhere over here, like hitting the tank like that, something like that. Anyways, I just thought it'd be kind of cool to add. So that's coming very soon. And ignore this bullet down here, it's not going to be used for anything. I don't even know why it's there. But yeah, that's been what's going on with that. And then I'm also working on, mainly I've been working on this networking library. So last time I had it in a video. What the video was? Yeah, it was right here. So this one right here. That was the video of the network library. And if I remember correctly, it was kind of trash because you couldn't like, the packets were broken, didn't work over the network really, it's just not good. But it's been updated quite a lot since then, and now it like actually works. It's not broken. So I have a server and a client here, and been kind of experimenting around with this. So this prints the whole alphabet, pretty much sends over the alphabet and then just prints it out. So yeah, pretty much the way that this works, you initialize, and then create an endpoint, initialize the endpoint, create a socket, open the socket, connect the socket, and then you can create a packet to send over, put the data in the packet, and then send the packet over. And then on the other side, over here, I do initialize, endpoint, create that, create socket, open it, bind it to the client, and then listen for data. And then once you get some data, just down here, and you can do stuff with it, like extracting packet data. So, you know, you have to like create the other socket for the connection or whatever. You do that and then create the packet. And then I've just created an int array one, so it'll send over ints, and then they just get reinterpreted as chars, like right there. So, yeah, that's pretty much what it does. I don't even think you actually need this. Yeah, I don't think, maybe you don't. Yeah, I don't think you need it. It's gonna just go away. But yeah, so if you don't know ASCII characters, look up an ASCII map. So pretty much I go here. So the like English characters start at 97 on here. Yeah, so I did in lowercase. I'm using their lowercase letters. So first at 97 and it ends at 122. So that's why I put 26 here. Or 26 because that's how many characters there are in the alphabet. So yeah, it pretty much just goes from 97 to 122. And if I run this, and you can see that. So yeah, I think there's breakpoints here from earlier debugging. Probably, yeah. I'll take those out. Screwing around earlier trying to get stuff to work. There we go. So yeah, pretty much just sends over the alphabet and then prints it. And it just sends it in char form. And then I also made it so you can send floats as well. So like you can, if you wanted to do this, you could send like, I don't know, I times 0.05 f. Then this obviously doesn't need to be 32 because it's a float. And then these actually need to be float arrays. So array string arrays. Nah, I need to remove that. It's from experimenting earlier. To create float array, and then down here instead of extract int, we're going to do extract float. And then this will be float data of int. And then instead of casting this with char, I'm just going to do 3 decimal places. That, and then that doesn't need, I think that's fine. So yeah, this pretty much just takes in the packet and then it extracts for you and outputs it to a float. So this should just print out. It's gonna send this over and then print it out. If I've done everything correctly and haven't screwed something up like an idiot. So yeah, there we go. So it'll print all these floating point numbers. So you could like have this send over player positions or, you know, data like health or something like that and create like a little online game. This is just generally like general purpose, though it's not specifically oriented towards like games. You could use this for anything really. But yeah, I also added packet exceptions. Basically just everything got fixed because it kind of sucked earlier. There was just a ton of issues. Just wasn't doing stuff correctly. I've tried to notate on it a lot. Like you can see there's plenty of these things because it's really complicated and I don't really want to have to like, if I come back to this in a while, like try and fix something, I don't want to like not know what anything does. So yeah, this probably added comments there. But yeah, just built as a DLL, you could like use this in Crystal or whatever and have like, you know, online game or whatever. So anyways, that's probably what I'm going to do with it. Not too much, but that's pretty much what I've been working on. So yeah, the line render is coming.